Friends with sensitive skin. Does your face feel itchy and tight and sting every summer? Does everything you apply just make it worse?
Don't worry, you're not alone.
Your skin barrier has officially gone on strike. Okay, don't panic. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to calm your skin down fast and get your skin back on track. First, let's talk about why your skin barrier is so important in the first place. Because it's the biggest, busiest, most hard-working organ in your body. It's your first line of defense, blocking bacteria and other harmful invaders. It locks in moisture. Without it, say hello to desert dry skin. It helps protect you from UV rays, but not completely, so don't forget your SPF. And it's packed with sensors, feeling heat, cold, pain, and even the joy of petting a cat. But when that barrier breaks, redness, irritation, flakiness, pain, everything hurts. That's why repairing your skin barrier means giving your most powerful organ the armor it deserves. Start treating it right today, and your skin will thank you with calm, healthy, glowing vibes. So who's secretly wearing away your skin's protective wall? Let's go through the usual suspects. Suspect 1. The Overwashing Fanatic. Washing your face 5 times a day with hot water? Babe, that's not cleansing, that's torture. Suspect 2. Acid Junkie. Exfoliating every night like it's your second job? Even your skin barrier needs a day off. Suspect 3. The Air-Con Addict. Blasting cold air all day? Say goodbye to skin moisture. And the hidden culprit? Your own fingers. Picking, scratching, peeling. I wanted to share some general tips and tricks that we should all be following whenever we do have that irritated, damaged skin barrier. First, strip your skincare routine down to the absolute basics. Just a gentle cleanser and a moisturizer. That's it. You don't need anything else right now. Second, avoid any extra steps like serums, eye creams, spot treatments, or masks. Also skip actives like vitamin C, retinoids, exfoliants. Your skin doesn't need them when it's compromised. Third, steer clear of possible irritants, essential oils, alcohol, fragrance. Even if your skin usually handles them well, it's better to avoid them while healing. Fourth, skip SPF if you're staying indoors and can avoid sun exposure. I know this is not something you usually hear, but some sunscreens can be irritating and hard to remove. If you need to go out, wear a hat or cover up, or use a very gentle, kid-safe sunscreen. Fifth, try your best to avoid wearing makeup. I know, it's hard, but it really helps speed up healing. Sixth, be extremely gentle with your skin. Don't rub, don't overwash, and only touch your face when absolutely necessary. And finally, listen to your skin. It changes all the time, and learning to adapt with it is the best thing you can do. How should you care for your skin when your barrier is damaged? Most people panic and start layering product after product. But actually, that's the worst thing you can do. When your barrier is compromised, your skin doesn't need more, it needs less. Simplify, slow down, focus. First, keep your routine minimal. Too many steps equals too much stress for your skin. Stick to the essentials only. Second, target one concern at a time. Think of it like this. Dealing with dryness? Just focus on hydration. Skin looking dull? Then go for brightening. Barrier damaged? Repair has to come first. No multitasking. One step at a time is how skin actually heals. So here's what I recommend. Gentle cleansing. Use a non-stripping, fragrance-free cleanser with lukewarm water. No harsh scrubbing, no hot water. Hydration plus barrier repair. Look for moisturizers with ceramides, hyaluronic acid, squalane, or panthenol. Keep it simple, soothing, and non-irritating. Essential sunscreen. If you're going to be exposed to the sun, you need to use sunscreen even when your skin feels fragile. UV damage makes barrier problems worse. Choose a mineral sunscreen with zinc or titanium dioxide. It's gentler on sensitive skin. Bottom line, skin barrier repair takes patience. Take it step by step. Let your skin breathe. Nourish it gently, and it will come back stronger.